Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity takes flight amidst the beauty of nature. Today, join us as we embark on a journey with Rosie, the spirited soul who finds her muse amidst the swaying branches. With each gentle sway, Rosie embraces the freedom of expression, painting the canvas of her imagination with the vibrant hues of the forest. In this enchanting sanctuary, every twist and turn becomes a stroke of artistic brilliance, a melody of pure joy echoing through the trees. As Rosie descends from her lofty perch, she brings with her the spirit of the forest, infusing her every step with the essence of its beauty. In the quiet embrace of nature, Rosie finds solace and inspiration, her imagination unfurling like the petals of a blossoming flower. With each step, Rosie leaves behind a trail of magic, her present a testament to the infinite possibilities. In this enchanting realm, Rosie's artistic spirit flourishes, her every breath a melody, her every movement a dance. Here, amidst the whispers of the wind and the rustle of leaves, Rosie finds her voice, her art of a reflection of the soulful connection she shares with the natural world. So let us join Rosie on her artistic adventures as she continues to weave her magic through the canvas of life, one brushstroke at a time, where every pencil mark is a testament to the infinite possibilities of the human spirit, and where the heart finds its truest expression in the hand of the artist. Through her artistry, Rosie invites us to explore the depths of human emotion, reminding us that art is not just about what we see but what we feel. Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where every creation is a testament to the beauty of the human spirit. So, join us on this whimsical journey where every moment is a celebration of creativity and every swing brings us closer to the magic within ourselves. Keep staying, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.